Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your interface. So first, you want to make sure the vehicle's on. Wait just a few moments for it all to upload. And then from here, you will do config, and then scroll down to phone settings, and then push select, and then push select on Bluetooth. And then you'll just scroll to whatever you're trying to connect. So we're connecting a phone and push select.
Pair, please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
So every phone's a little different, but here you want to make sure that
Once
blue's
the search is
highlighted.
complete, select your vehicle on your phone,
then it'll scan.
and if required, enter the code 5981. Again, the code is 5981.
So it's probably going to be this your vehicle. So we'll hit that. And then wait for a moment. Should pop up something here. And if it ever glitches, sometimes you have to just try again.
Please confirm this code on your Bluetooth device. 9501000.
That's the same.
To confirm the code, say yes. Otherwise, say no.
Yes.
Please say the name tag you want to give this phone.
Clay.
About to store.
Clay.
Does that sound okay?
Yes.
Clay.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready.
And if you wanted to stop talking to you, just push these buttons.
Goodbye.
And same if you want to just jump right away to auto connect to your voice, just push that, and it's already synced up with this phone, so that make it easier. But say we also want to delete or something like that, because usually there's a limit to how many phones you can have saved. Go back to config, go down to phone settings, enter again, and then device list. And then here you can see all these connected phones. Most cars seem to have a limit of 5. So if you get past that, you're gonna have to delete one. So we'll delete the one we just added. Enter that, go down to delete, up and down like that, enter again, and that's it. And then it's still on my phone, so I want to go through and delete it off of there at some point too, if you choose. But anyways, that was it today. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.